We'll guide you through how to add another Facebook account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so you need to go and add another Facebook account. We're going to guide you through this step by step. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps somebody else goes and uses the device as well, and so they want to be able to go and access their account. Make sure it's this full guide step by step. Don't go and skip ahead. So what you need to do is you need to go to the top right or bottom right, depending upon where the profile picture is, and go and tap there to get your profile. Here, press the three lines in the top left, scroll down in this menu and find logout. And you want to go and press save like so, then press logout. You're going to get brought here, and then you can press use another profile, and then the other account can then go and be signed into. The account's now logged into, and they can press the profile button in the bottom or top right, then the three lines in the top left, and scroll down and press log out. They can save their login info, and then the different accounts can be viewed here.